Alligators, yeah, we got to give them to keep them in check, make sure they're on the payroll, so we'll give them a couple marshmallows here and there. But you betcha, the gators definitely are going to come to us for the marshmallows. Now, how we judge the age of the gators is about how long they are. According to the biologists, the gators in Louisiana, and the way our temperatures are and so forth, only grow about a foot a year up until they're 6 feet. Once they reach 6 feet, they're considered to be mature gators. Now it takes them at least 10 years to grow another foot.